Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. DJI has just unveiled a sneak peek of their highly anticipated Osmo 360, a revolutionary addition to their already impressive lineup of action cameras. The Osmo 360 is expected to offer a fresh, immersive experience that could set new benchmarks in the 360-degree camera market. With DJI's strong reputation in the action camera industry, this latest release could redefine how we capture and experience adventure footage. Recent leaks, including detailed schematics and high-quality concept renderings, have offered intriguing insights into the potential design and features of DJI's upcoming Osmo 360 camera. Unlike many traditional 360-degree cameras that tend to be bulky and cumbersome, DJI seems to be taking a different approach by focusing on a sleek, compact, and lightweight design. This new form factor is expected to cater specifically to content creators and adventurers who require portability without compromising performance. One of the standout rumored features is the inclusion of dual ultra-wide lenses, strategically positioned to capture a seamless, full 360-degree field of view. These lenses are anticipated to deliver high-resolution video and photo capabilities, ensuring immersive content creation with minimal blind spots. Additionally, the Osmo 360 is expected to feature a front-facing touchscreen display, allowing users to easily frame their shots, monitor recordings in real time, and access intuitive controls without needing to connect an external device. DJI's engineering expertise suggests that the Osmo 360 may incorporate advanced stabilization technology, potentially leveraging their renowned Rocksteady or Horizon Steady systems. This would enable smooth and shake-free footage, even during high-motion activities such as hiking, biking, or action sports. Furthermore, the compact design could make it an attractive option for vloggers and travel enthusiasts seeking a hassle-free 360-degree filming experience. Speculation also hints at robust connectivity options, such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, for seamless integration with DJI's existing apps, offering features like live streaming, AI-powered editing, and direct social media sharing. As anticipation builds, the Osmo 360 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of portable 360-degree cameras, combining DJI's signature innovation with unparalleled convenience. The Osmo 360 is also expected to feature a minimalist user interface, providing quick access to essential settings through an intuitive IC control system. Positioned conveniently on the side, the power button allows for easy operation even in dynamic environments. However, some early concerns from leaked renders suggest that the display might be smaller than expected, potentially affecting usability in high-action scenarios. Additionally, the absence of a visible mounting hook raises questions about compatibility with existing accessories, something DJI might address before the official launch. A standout feature of the Osmo 360 is its rumored wireless capabilities. Leaked images suggest the presence of dual antennas on the camera, likely aimed at enhancing connectivity for faster file transfers and live streaming. This could be a game-changer for content creators who require seamless uploads and stable real-time performance. Whether you're an influencer, vlogger, or adventure enthusiast, strong wireless connectivity will be a significant advantage in the field. When it comes to portability, the Osmo 360 is poised to outshine competitors like the Insta360 X4 and DJI's own Osmo Action 5 Pro. With a more travel-friendly form factor and robust performance, this camera could be the perfect companion for those looking to capture high-quality 360-degree content on their adventures. One key question remains. Will DJI introduce an invisible selfie stick feature similar to the Insta360 lineup? Only time will tell, but DJI's focus on innovation and user experience suggests they may have a few surprises up their sleeve. Another exciting revelation comes from a recent FCC listing under the code OQ1, which indicates that the Osmo 360 is nearing its official launch. Regulatory filings and early tests conducted in September suggest a release window around late November, just in time for the holiday season. DJI's history of delivering top-tier products makes it likely that the Osmo 360 will be positioned as a must-have gadget for tech enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. As GoPro faces delays with the GoPro Max 2, DJI has a prime opportunity to capture market share and establish the Osmo 360 as a leading contender in the 360-degree camera space. With its anticipated features and sleek design, the Osmo 360 could easily rival established players like GoPro and Insta360. What do you think? Does DJI have what it takes to outshine competitors and become the go-to brand for 360-degree cameras? Are you excited about the Osmo 360's potential features? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this deep dive into DJI's upcoming Osmo 360 informative, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on tech gear and camera innovations. Stay tuned for more insights as we approach the official release date of the Osmo 360.